What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And in this video, we're talking about a very special project, AnyPad, guys. This is the first decentralized multi-chain IDO launchpad and a multi-chain AMM DEX, guys. Before we get into it, though, let me make sure I hit you with my disclaimer, guys. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do is never going to be financial advice. Please make sure you're always doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money. With that said, let's jump right into it. Alright, guys, and I'm back on their website, and you can see here this is the DeFi's first blockchain agnostic launchpad, guys. They're supporting Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Huobi EcoChain, Matic, and KuCoin. Okay, and their objectives are to allow blockchain startups to build, raise funds, and launch in a hassle-free and successful way. They are also wanting to provide the elements and support necessary to guide blockchain startups through their growth and development stages. They want to serve as a DeFi instrument. This is where the AMM DEX comes into play for blockchain startups, and also to give investors numerous opportunities to invest. So it's actually a very allocation-friendly or investor-friendly launchpad, and we'll get into that here in a second. And here are their three main offerings, guys: AnyPad multi-chain IDO Launchpad, an AnyPad incubator, as well as the AnyPad multi-chain AMM DEX, or decentralized exchange. So guys, all of these are pretty self-explanatory, guys. If you're not sure what an incubator is, it's essentially basically think of them as consultants guiding them step by step through the process of what they need to do as a project to launch on the crypto markets, guys. So guys, what they're not mentioning here is that in fact there's also a game that is native to AnyPad. So AnyPad has developed their own game that you can actually also participate in. So let's take a look at that next.
Ladies and gentlemen.
And that game is Starstrike, guys. This is basically an arcade style game. You saw it there in the video just now, a little bit of a demo there, guys. But essentially what this is, it is a Starstrike is a multiplayer shooter experience game that aims to introduce a concept of gaming on the blockchain technology and to develop an eco-friendly platform for gamers where they can experience the outskirts of the cosmos and unleash their gaming skills like never before. Players can build spaceships, explore the vast galaxy, and engage in exciting player versus player battle to win rewards. Here are some of the actual spaceships that you can get, and you can actually get these right now by staking, guys. You can stake these, but I'll show you that here in a second. So here's the generation 1. You can see, for example, flight speed 4, battle rating half a star, rating 2 stars, right? And it goes up as you get the different generation. You can stake for 1, 2, and 3, but you cannot stake for 4. I'm not sure how you get that. You probably have to get that through gameplay. So here, guys, stake to earn. You can actually stake your AdaPad within the respective AdaPad pools to unlock your desired generation of a spaceship. So there's again the level 1, 2, and 3, and 1,000, 2 is 50, and 3 is 100,000 that you have to stake, and there's a certain time you have to stake it to unlock that. Alright, play to earn, guys. Again, going over the play to earn mechanics, how this is going to go. It's basically a multiplayer arcade style shooter. You saw it in the video. Guys, there's going to be a hangar coming out where you'll eventually be able to actually go and look at your spaceship and equip new weapons, deadly weapons, put satellites on there, and other high-end pieces of technology, guys. These NFTs, guys, so these things are going to be tradable. The spaceships are tradable. You can trade them for money, and also they're collectibles, right? You'll have the rights to store these NFTs on the spaceships as collectibles in your personal collection, so you can actually get these onto your own MetaMask wallet. Alright, guys, and here's the staking. I'm currently on a Gen 3, and you can see that I'm staking for it. It says here that I'm staker number 54. There are total spaceships of 200. There are still 142 remaining. The Gen 2 I'm not staking for. That's 50,000, right? And I could stake 200,000 or 250,000, and actually reduces the time it takes to get it. So right now it's the 19th of November if it's at 250, right? If it's down to 100, it's the 14th of December until I get this NFT. So if I wanted to, or if I could, or if I choose to, I could add more money to get this quicker. I'm just gonna keep it at 100. It looks like we're still good in terms of the number of ships remaining. Guys, over here too, on the generation 1, I have another one staking there. Same thing, guys. So right now, with 10,000, I don't get this until, well, I've been doing this one for quite a while actually, but this one I get on the 8th of November, and then if I were to try and speed it up with 100,000, I would get it literally in just a few days, or I'd already have it by now. So guys, that is the staking platform. Guys, any tokens that you stake here will still go towards your allocation, so don't be wary of that, guys. Here on the left, you can see some of the how long it takes, right? Between 10 to 100,000, 18 to 36 days, and so on. You can come take a look at this for yourself. Again, guys, anything that you stake here will still count towards what you need to stake in order to participate in the different allocations. So let's talk about those next. For that, I've jumped over to their Medium, guys, and again, I'm leaving all the links in the description, guys. Every single site you saw so far is going to be in the description, but you can see here there's going to be 5 different levels, essentially, right, ranging from 10K all the way up to 100K. The 10K tier, which is the minimum tier you need for a guaranteed allocation, is going to be lottery based, right? So you have a chance, you're going to have to get into a whitelist, and you have a chance of getting picked, and then you can add 1 lottery token worth of allocation. And then from 25K up to 100K, these are all guaranteed. Every lottery ticket, so the tickets here at the bottom, you see 1, 2, 3, and 5 tickets, winning tickets. Each one of those will give you a certain amount of allocation. The amount of allocation will depend on the IDO itself, on the team, on the project, what they choose to do, and how large of an initial market cap they want to come out with. So let's just say it's 50 bucks. So if you're someone that staked 2,500, you get 25,000, you get 1 winning ticket. You get to allocate 25 or 50 bucks. All right. So if you're someone that has level 5 and has 10K, 100K staked, you get 5 winning tickets, which means you now get $250 worth of allocation. Now, if you can actually take this a step further, guys. So you don't, the max that you can get is 25 tickets. So that would be 500K stake. But you don't have to be a staker to even participate. And this is why I was saying that this is very investor friendly. Anybody can participate. You don't even have to hold the APAD token. So let's take a look at that. So you can see here, it's a public pool, guys. So this pool is specifically designed for APAD as well as non-APAD holders. Users can participate in this pool by contributing USDT, and based on the percentage of the contribution made with the respect of the total USDT contributed, users will be able to claim their tokens as well as the amount of unused USDT. So there's an overflow technology, right? So this pool works on the overflow technology to provide a fair distribution of tokens as per the contribution made. So basically, if for some reason you contribute way too much and you don't get the whole cut of that, whatever the overflow is, they send back to you. So you don't have to worry about losing your money, guys. And you can, again, it says for APAD as well as non-APAD holders. So if you don't have APAD, you can participate in the public pool. If you have APAD and you already staked some and you're getting your guaranteed allocation, you can get an additional allocation by jumping in this pool as well. So again, very investor-friendly allocation, guys. So let's look at some of their partners and investors, guys. So they have some technical partners. SparkPoint, I used to be heavily invested in SparkPoint. I like SparkPoint. Atom, they are geniuses, especially when it comes to interoperability between different blockchains, guys. Polkacare and Heko, guys. Look at these partners. These are technological partners. And then they've got a couple of investors as well. So you know that this project has a little bit of runway. You know that they're going to go places. And here are their team members, guys. Take a look at them. And they're linked as well to their Twitter and LinkedIn, so you can see their history. Guys, take a look at this project, guys. That's all I'm going to leave you with, guys. I hope that this content was helpful. If it was helpful, smash the like, hit me with a subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there's anything I can do better. That's it from me, guys. I'm out. Peace. See you guys in the next video.